Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've already subscribed, thank you. My name is Irene. Today I'm going to tackle this cabinet. I've been wanting to declutter and organize this cabinet for a while, but I procrastinate it because it's such a huge mess. But today it's raining out. I don't know if you can hear it. And I'm also home today because I am sitting for my grandbaby. She's taking a nap right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and I don't know if I want to pull everything out or if I just want to at least tackle the stuff that's on top, which I think I'm gonna do, because if I pull everything out, I'm not sure I'm prepared for that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with what's on top. So this is, I think it's the other toothbrush. It was a 2-pack, and I think it's the other new toothbrush. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that aside for a second. And my friend was over the other day and she said she needed a specific size curling iron. So I went through all of my curling irons to find her one, and I didn't find the size she was looking for, but I found all of these. So and so I threw them all back in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna throw any away just because it's like, what if one breaks? That's my problem. What if, right? And if one breaks, I just go buy another one. Okay, so this might go to my blow dryer. Okay, so I think that's all for the curling irons, and I think I have a drawer over there with curling irons, or maybe I have. No, this is a basket full of like makeup bags. Like, this has pencils in it. This is for like when I travel. So I'm not going to mess with that. So right now I have this toothbrush and these curling irons, and I have this tray of makeup that I've been needing to go through, like really bad. So I have this Anastasia Whippy. I've probably been looking for it. And I have this Boing foundation, or maybe it's a concealer. I don't know. It's a bunch of stuff I need to go through. Some spare toothbrushes. And I think I just kind of threw everything on this tray that I wasn't using, but I think this is a fairly new eyelash curler. So like a spare. And I'm gonna put that up there for a second. then I think this is the travel trace to my toothbrush. Guys, let me know in the comments if you have a cabinet like this or if you're completely organized. I don't even know what to do. It's raining outside and the baby's taking a nap and I kind of just want to relax, but I really need to get this done. But it's kind of cold down here on the floor. So I think I'm just gonna have a chat with y'all instead, because I don't think I want to do this. This is some pain relief cream that I use on my wrist and sometimes on my hands. Yeah, I think I'm not gonna do this after all. So I'm glad I got my review up yesterday because it's raining out today and I don't really like to drive in the rain. So I'm gonna put all of this back and do it another day when I don't have to be so quiet. But I'll go ahead and bring you along with me because I want you to see everything that's in here. I should probably go through this. I just can't do it. So that's a no.